YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mr. Mitos, back with another video. So check this out, guys. It is dark, well, almost dark, and your boy is off work and made it to the Rip and Run Park with none other than Vesla.5. So this is the maiden run, guys. Ran out of time to get a day run, so we're gonna go ahead and get that in as the next video. But right now, we're just gonna go ahead and let it rip and see how she run, or he run, or it run, or whatever. But here we have it, guys. Check it out. It's the night glow. We have the headlight. We got a tail light. We got body glow. And we're just gonna let it rip and run down here really quick. Stretch its legs. With that being said, oh yeah, we on the IXSR remote. Let's get it. All right, guys, got my camera on my neck. Little device that I'm wearing. This is my phone. Go ahead and turn it on here really quick. All right. So I'm definitely looking for the quick release pins, because it is hella difficult getting my hands in here to put these batteries on underneath this bar. Take way too long. So I need to get the quick release pin so I can pop this body off a lot quicker. Let me see if I can pick this. Damn, this thing got some weight to it. Okay. All right, let's get it. I do have the GPS app on my phone. Let's see. I say phone. The remote. Dang, it's like my finger thing. So let's see where it's at. Okay. Let's see if it'll pick it up. Because it's in there. I don't know if it's charged or if it's dead. Yeah, I don't know. But I think I never charged it. But it says it's got battery. I don't know, guys. We'll give it a second. We'll come back to it. In the meantime, let's get down here. Let's check it out. I do have it, the throttle on the 50%. It's like just a break-in period here really quick. Let's go ahead and put it down here. I do not know if the grass is wet, but all the grass is dead. Oh, damn, she's sinking. Oh yeah, she's spinning out. Let's see. Damn, she's screaming. Everywhere. Well, she tattooing the grass for sure. Damn. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna get kicked out of these parks with this bad boy. That's 50%. Throttle. Let me put it on. Let me get comfortable with it, guys. And then I'm gonna boost up. I'm gonna boost it up. Get a feel for it. Let's He's slanging. Damn. All right. Lights look good on it. They're gonna be like, what in the heck was out here doing this? To this yard, into this grass. All right, I'm gonna bump it up some, guys. I just wanna see. Let me just see if this GPS is gonna work. So I'm shooting with my phone. It's like, I may have to kill the app. It's probably on my damn phone when I turned it on. Damn it. And I'm recording on my phone because it's not connecting to it. Yeah, that's what's happening. Hold on. All right, guys. I deactivated my Bluetooth off my phone. So let's see if it works now. I don't know, we're gonna see. Still not connecting. And it's in there too. All right, it is what it is. I gotta figure it out. My next video I'll shoot with my GoPro, and then I can use my phone or take my other phone with me for the most part. But let me get back to it. So let's go ahead and bump this throttle up. Let's do 75. Let's do 75. Oh my gosh. I'll come back. Oh, we have to sideways. Dang. Dang. Yeah, these tires ain't. Oh, she flipped. Did she land straight up? Come on back. Let me check you out. Let me make sure you straight. This the factory servo. Quick like that. Just making sure everything is everything. See, the fan on the ESC ain't even cut on yet. I don't have a fan on the motor. Weak geared 5125. We're gonna see. Let's get it. Man, I didn't even get that on camera. It's because this got a quick turnaround. Damn. It turns so quick like that, you know what I mean? And the tires are sinking in the dirt, so in the grass. So this grass is thick, even though it look dead, it's thick. And it's trying its damnness to bite. Oof. 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 Kick off all the dirt. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. Let me bump this up real quick. And then I'm gonna close it out, guys. I'm gonna close it out after this. I'm gonna get a nice little pass. Okay. Bring it around nice and neat. Damn. Damn. Oh, she's fast, guys. A lot of torque. Gotta learn how to control it. This is my first time ever driving a 2-wheel drive fifth scale, you guys. So, definitely not gonna be my last. Damn. Yeah, she tattooing them. I think that was my juice. That may have been the juice of the batteries. All right, guys. Dang. You see the destruction? And this is how you get kicked out of parks. This is exactly how you get kicked out of a damn park. So we about to DIP. Yeah, oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. It's about this deep. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick my parks wisely. Okay, I hear the motor, I hear the ESC on. It didn't cut on. Let me take my camera off my chest. All right, guys. A little dirty. But this thing got the data log and all that too. So I'm gonna check it out and see what's up with it. Since I don't have the camera on my head, I can't show you. But yeah, the fan is on. Check it out, guys. First maiden run with the Vesla.5 Kraken. If you like what you see, hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, become a supporter. And oh yeah, guys, looks like Monday is the giveaway. Next Monday is the giveaway. So if you ain't entered, you better enter. You got 2 chances to win. So it is what it is. Check it out. Pressure. I'm so happy about this damn thing. Pressure. Now the fan ain't turned off on the ESC, so I guess it went back down on the temps. Pressure. Yeah. I ordered the top light, the 5-bar socket lights on the top, the 5th wheel, and something else. So I should have that in a couple days. So the next video you guys will see I'll have a little bit more accessories on it. A little bit more official. You know. But it is what it is. It's your boy, Mr. Mitos. Peace and blessings. Gone.